If you're looking for a twist on that pecan pie this holiday season, look no further. This bar is absolutely delicious. The crust is made from shortbread, so it is so very buttery. Stick around for the step-by-step tutorial for this recipe. Alright, first we're going to measure out our ingredients. I'm starting with the pecans, which are already crushed. I am doing 2 cups. Next, I'm going to measure out the corn syrup. I'm going to spray the cup with some baking spray just so that it can run smoother and it doesn't get stuck to the cup. Separately, I'm going to measure the brown sugar and the butter. I'm going to melt the butter. Now for the crust, I'm going to be using shortcake cookies. These are from Pecan and these are so delicious. I'm also going to measure out my butter and my brown sugar. Now I'm going to prepare my pan so that I can form the crust. I'm going to cut some parchment paper and allow it to run over the side so that it can easily be pulled out when it cools down. As per usual, I'm going to spray it down so it does not get stuck. Now I'm going to throw my cookies inside of a food processor. Now if you do not have a food processor, you can throw these cookies inside of a Ziploc bag, zip it closed, and begin to beat it with a rolling pin or a pan just so it can form a nice crumb. Once you get that fine crumb, now you can add your melted butter and your brown sugar and pulse it for a bit until it combines well. Repulses. Now we're going to pour it inside of our prepared pan and we are going to begin to press it down to form the crust. This is going to go into a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 10 minutes. Now let's make this delicious base. We're going to start with 3 eggs, whisk them together, and we're going to add in vanilla extract and the brown sugar that we already measured, as well as the melted butter. Now whisk this together until thoroughly combined. Now we are adding our dark corn syrup in and we're going to whisk again until combined. Now it's time to add those pecans. We're going to throw them in and then fold them into the base. I'm going to keep about 50 grams on the side. This extra we're just going to sprinkle on the top before it goes into the oven. Now that we have our cooled crust, we're going to add the base on top of this and throw it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Let them cool and enjoy. I promise you will love them. Let me know in the comments down below if you make this, and if you're new here, say hey. Thanks for coming. I'll see you on the next one.